We need a complete rehaul of this industry. And here's the good news. It's gonna happen anyway, because if it doesn't happen, the brands that do the smart shit will become the biggest brands in the world. You know, what I think is next is doing the things that are working right now way more. You know, I don't get, honestly, I don't want anything to ever change. I don't predict, and I actually don't want anything to ever change because I'm good at it. I get sad when Facebook organic goes away and I have to find the next thing because I spent a lot of time and effort to be great at it. I think the answer is more. The variable of success, once you understand the media framework that you guys are playing in, is the creative variable. Once you know that TikTok or LinkedIn or Instagram swipe ups are working, the answer is more contextual creative. Like, how many pre-roll podcast ads are being read by influencers on their podcast right now for your business? Answer's probably none, because I'm not talking about it a whole lot yet, sprinkled in here or there, but there's probably 1,000 podcasts that you need to hand reach out to and say, how much would it cost for you to live read about our product? Howard Stern sold a lot of product. Listen, if you're Dove or if you're Coca-Cola, you want everybody in this room to buy you. Like, these brands want all of us. Nike, AT&T, Verizon, like, they want us all. Think about how fucking hard that is. It's completely impossible with a bullshit 30-second video. Completely. So now figure it out. I want all of you to buy a banana. How many things do you think you need to do? A lot. And so we need to stop wasting money in meetings and debating to a 30-second video and then post-production matching luggage to that video in banner and programmatic form because the KPI is $4 CPM, not real life. Like, we need a complete rehaul of this industry. And here's the good news. It's gonna happen anyway, because if it doesn't happen, the brands that do the smart shit will become the biggest brands in the world. I wanna remind you that Airbnb and Netflix and many other things didn't exist a decade ago in the way they look today. So things are coming. I think we should be on, I just think of this as one massive tidal wave. And I think you have a very simple choice. Do what this industry does, which puts its head in the sand and just gets destroyed by it, or find some fucking surfboard and ride it.